Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to create some super easy dot mandala design. For today's tutorial, I'll be using dotting tools in different size, white acrylic paint and a black sketchbook. Our first design is mini circle. We'll start by using larger dotting tool, dip it into paint, making sure the tip is evenly coated. Now press it onto the paper and create one round dot. Perfect. Next, we'll switch to a smaller dotting tool. Dip it into paint and place small dots around the center dot. Make sure it's evenly covered. Now we'll place it on the paper. Now keep an equal distance between each dot and slowly work your way around to complete the circle. Make sure the tip is evenly coated. Again, we'll repeat the process till the entire circle is formed. And that's it. Our first beginner-friendly design, the mini circle, is complete. Always make sure that the color is coated evenly when placing on the paper. Now let's move on to the next design. We'll start by using a larger dotting tool, dip it into paint. Now place it on the paper and gently rotate the tool in smaller circular motion to create one smooth dot. Great. Next, switch to a smaller dotting tool, dip it into paint and place one small dot above, one below, one on the left and one on the right. There you go. With just 4 small dots around the center, we have created a simple, beautiful, tiny cross design. Now let's create a cute mini flower. We'll begin by making one large dot in the center. Dip your larger dotting tool into the paint. Place it on the paper and gently twist in a circular motion to create a small even dot. Perfect. Now let's switch to a smaller dotting tool. We'll place 2 dots above the center dot, 2 on the right, 2 below and 2 on the left. Take your time and try to keep the spacing even. And there you have it. A simple mini flower design is complete. Now let's create the simple line design. We'll start by making one larger dot in the center using a bigger dotting tool. Dip it into the paint and gently press it onto paper. Now switch to a smaller dotting tool. This time, dip the tool into paint only once. Starting next to the center dot, create 3 dots in a straight line without dipping again. Notice how each dot becomes slightly smaller as the paint runs out. This creates beautiful gradient effect naturally. And there you have it, a simple line design. Now let's create another simple, beginner-friendly design. We'll start by making one large dot in center using bigger dotting tool. Dip it and gently press onto paper. Now switch to a smaller dotting tool. Place 4 small dots diagonally around the center dot, one in each diagonal direction. Try to keep the spacing as even as possible. And that's it. Simple, elegant diagonal dot pattern. Remember, don't worry if your dots aren't perfect. The more you practice, the steadier your hand will become and you'll naturally create cleaner, more evenly spaced dots. Now let's create another easy design. We'll start by using a bigger dotting tool. Gently spread the paint in a smaller circular motion to make center dot slightly bigger and smoother. Now flip to the smaller end of your dotting tool and dip it into the paint. Just like we did in simple line design, place 2 small dots above the center dot and 2 small dots below it to create a vertical line. Try to keep the spacing even and let the dots naturally get a little smaller as the paint runs out. And there you have it. We have created a clean and simple vertical line design. Now let's create 3 dots design. We'll begin by making one larger dot in the center Using bigger dotting tool, gently spread the paint in a circular motion to create a smooth and slightly larger center dot. Next, flip to the smaller end of your dotting tool and dip it into the paint. Starting from one side of the center dot, place two small dots in a straight horizontal line. Just like the vertical design, you'll notice the dots become slightly smaller as the paint on the tool reduces. For a final design, we'll be using a smaller dotting tool. Dip the tool into the paint and create a small inverted U with evenly spaced dots to form a neat semicircle. Now dip the tool into the paint again and create another inverted U just above the first one, making it slightly larger while following the same curve. And that's it, we have created a simple mini rainbow design. I hope this tutorial helped you get started with dot mandala painting. Remember, don't worry if your dots aren't perfect at first. The more you practice, the steadier your hand will become and your design will keep improving. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming videos.